everyone, if you're looking for an amazing family vehicle that has third row seating, leather heated seats, and an amazing media center, then you're going to want to check out this 2015 Dodge Durango. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this black exterior color. You have some nice chrome outlining your grille. Love that pattern. Inside you have your Dodge badging in there as well. And then you have these projector beam headlamps with fog lamps below that. And this has a 3.6 liter V6 engine. Then looking down at your wheels, those are 18-inch alloy wheels. And then making your way over to your side mirrors, you have your indicator lights on the sides, and they are powered and heated. You also have keyless entry. Looking at these front seats, we have these black leather seats. They are heated, so super comfortable, and they are power adjustable. Then looking at your driver's side, you have your leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls on the front with your media controls and paddle shifters on the back so you can take full control. Then looking at your 8.4-inch touchscreen media center brought to you by Uconnect, you have your radio options right here. You can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. You also have your media options here, your controls for your heated seats and steering wheel, and then you have your apps here for your Uconnect different options, so you can make it into Wi-Fi hotspot if you subscribe to that, or any of your other features there. You also have climate controls. They are dual, so you can have different settings on each side of the front seat. You also have rear climate controls, so you can adjust the settings in the back as well. Then here's your phone, so you can connect your phone, make text messages and phone calls with your media center. And then when your vehicle is on and in reverse, you have your backup camera. Then down below that, you have all of your radio and climate controls and button form, your sensing system, eco mode, and your traction control. Then you have an SD card reader, USB port, aux port, and a 12-volt right there. Two cup holders in the middle, and then looking into your center console, you have two layers. So you have this top layer, and then you have even more room below with another 12-volt. Looking up, you have 911 assist, which is subscribable, and universal garage door opener. So let's take a look at the seats in the back. Looking in this back seat, you have a bench seat in the middle, and then two more in the back, so you can fit 7 people total throughout the vehicle. You also have a cup holder armrest that can fold down right there, and these seats in the middle are heated, so you have your 2 heated buttons and a 115-volt and 2 USB ports. So you can pull these seats down, and you could also lift them up so you can get to that third row where you have 2 more seats with a cup holder on each side. Looking up, you have your roof rack up top, lip spoiler in the back, and you also have your LED tail lamps that stretch all the way across. Love the look of those. You have all-wheel drive and your limited badging with a rear sensing system. So you do have remote start on your key fob. And then looking into your trunk, you have plenty of space back here. You can also fold these down if you want some extra room in the back. And this does open up for even more space. So you can kind of have everything nice and organized back here. So overall, love the Durangos. I love how much room there is inside of them. And then this one also has great features like those leather heated seats and that media center. So if you want to see this Dodge Durango or any of our other SUVs, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre megalot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in my lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.